Whether you want to be a web developer, a machine learning engineer, or a data scientist, having a clear understanding of data structures and algorithms is key to acing your job interview. From evaluating which data structure to use when you're building out a website, to selecting the right algorithm for analyzing user data, every computer science problem requires an intuitive understanding of the tools you have at your disposal.
Companies don't hire candidates who can just rattle off the names of different data structures and algorithms, but instead the ones who can choose the right approach to solving a particular problem and provide a rationale for their choice.
The Data Structures and Algorithms Nanodegree program will enable you to excel at solving everything from very well-defined problems, like how to calculate the efficiency of a specific algorithm, to more open-ended problems, like building your own private blockchain or writing a web crawler.
Whether you're new to the ideas surrounding data structures and algorithms, or just looking to refresh on a few concepts before your next interview, this program will provide you with a wealth of valuable practice and resources.
Throughout the program, you'll have a dedicated mentor who will support you with one-on-one guidance and help you solidify your understanding of these exciting topics.
Join the Data Structures and Algorithms Nanodegree program today, and you will get to work on over 100 exercises and real-world projects. Learn how to approach open-ended problems and design and implement your solution. This Nanodegree program will prepare you for your next coding interview to launch your career as a software engineer.